Okay, today we're gonna see how to fix the issue with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 when trying to install the game and you get the error you are not signed into your profile. So watch the video to learn how to fix it. So the first method is open up your Xbox Game Pass, click on the profile icon and select the sign out button. After signing out, close everything. Next, go to the search bar, type in Xbox and relaunch the Xbox game app. Now after doing that, select the sign in option. After you sign in, you choose your account. Click continue. After signing in, try installing Modern Warfare 3 again and check if the problem is solved. If not, let's move on to the next method. Method, you need to make sure you're logged into both Xbox and the Microsoft Game Store with the same account. First, open up Xbox, choose the profile icon, and choose to sign out. Then after signing out, open the Microsoft Store, click the profile icon, and look at the email address that you're using. Now once you copy and paste that, go back to your Xbox app, click the sign in button, and log in using the same email address as used in the Microsoft Store. After that, click continue and select let's go. After you've done that, try installing Modern Warfare 3 again to see if the issue is resolved. I hope one of these methods helped to fix your problem. If the video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like.